What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Kaguya Otsutsuki, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, from Naruto. So like the final boss at the end of Naruto. Well, not really the final boss, but the kind of big boss at the end. So let's go. So landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. So her eyes, right? So center point of my page is about here. That's probably where her nose is. I would say maybe, yeah, like her nostrils maybe will end up being there. Then you come up and over to the right a little bit. So we're going to start with that standard anime curved eye. Curves over that kind of shape, right? And she has eyelashes, so just like one or two, just at the edge of her eye. And then we're going to bring this eye down the back. Like this. And then you're going to add like a couple of eyelashes sticking off down here as well. And this is going to come across the bottom of her eye. Up into there. They can join or not. It's up to you. Her iris is real big, so you can just see like the side of it there and the other side like here. So then she's got like marks on the inside of her eye, like, so she's an alien, so she's got like weird shapes and lumps and bumps and stuff on her eye. So other eye, measured this one, fits just in between here, right? So it starts like this. So this eye will fit like in between her two tear ducts. See that? So her eyes are in proportion. So it curves across again. Standard curve. Eyelashes. Some of this is covered by hair here, so you can't see all of it. And it comes down the back. So don't worry, you don't have to add the two eyelashes here because it's covered, but I'll add them anyway. I'm going to erase them after. So the back of the eye comes down this way. This will come across over to here, and she's got like two eyelashes sticking off down here. And then a big iris. So, and then that weird shape. Eyelid line, whatever it is, just there. So her nostrils just down here. That's how her nose is drawn. That's pretty much it. Sometimes there can be a line coming down the side, but it's up to you. She got these things above her, like eyebrows, but they're not eyebrows. So just above here. Suppose they like stand in for eyebrows, like little triangles, but a bit curvy, like so. Then her mouth. So I guess just like the middle lip goes up, over and down like that. So because I'm drawing with a black marker, so like she's got lipstick on, right? Okay, I'm going to have a go at doing it with the black marker sort of manga style, right? So her bottom lip, let's see, so we'll just stretch this out a little bit. So her bottom lip comes out from here, around and up, there. And then her top lip, so you're just going to make this a bit line, a little bit more bumpy, comes down like so. Just making that line a little bit bigger for her top lip, right? So I'm going to shade this in, and I'm going to leave a white highlight in here, right? So like if you draw around an area that you're going to leave white, and then sort of color this in. like so. Okay. So that is kind of how you do lipstick if you weren't coloring it. So if you were like coloring it the purple color from the anime, you could like just draw the lines around and then color it purple. But if you're using just a marker or a pencil, you just shade it in like that and leave a highlight. Make sure you leave a white dot. So then her bottom lip, sort of chin sort of line, just there. And then her actual chin down here, like so. So now you can check proportions. So eyes to the nose is about the same as nose to the chin. Here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay. So like her eyes are pretty big, so it's like the middle of her eye. Here to here, same as here to here. And then bottom lip line, here to here, about the same as here to here. So that's like the middle. So once you get those proportions, you can go up the side with the jaw. And like with female characters, usually anyway, you don't have a strong jaw. So it's like a curved, gradually curved jaw, right? So you want to stop about underneath the edge of her eyes and just top lip. So just here, like between the nose and the top lip. And then you're going to gradually sort of curve it. It's not like a strong pointy jaw or anything. So it's just like a gradual sort of curve around like that. And then up here, same sort of thing. Like so. And then her hair, right? And then we'll do her third eye. So hair comes down like so, okay? And this is gonna go like real long, like right down off the bottom of my page. Okay. Like that. And the other side. Like so. Okay. Now third eye is in here. Now if you're wondering how big her forehead is, I would say eyes to hairline is about the same as eyes to chin, right? Like the middle of her eyes here. So here to here is about the same as here to here. So that's how high up you want to go. So then her third eye that has like the red sort of Renegon inside. So you just like do like a point on top and then it comes around. Like this. And then it's got like some bump lines just for skin. Like so. Line inside there, and like it's like just a shadow just to show the round. Okay. Okay, so I think there's like a dot in the middle. And you're going to draw a few circles around that. I'll fit in whatever I can. There is like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3. I'll try and fit the 3. I might only get to 2, but we'll see. 1, 2. And a third down here. Like so. And then it's got those commas that are sticking off, right? So wherever you can kind of fit them. Just in here. A couple coming around here. I think they're called tomes or something else like that. Okay, so then her neck, right? We'll do her neck. Coming down from her jaw here. Thin, sort of delicate neck. And then her ears, you can just see them inside here, just kind of across from her nose a little bit. You can just see them in between her hair and her nose. Sorry, in between her hair and her face. And then, so her clothing just inside. Then the inside of this. So that's her neck, and then this comes like that, and then the other side like so. And so I think there's like a purple mark and a black, so like, let's see, like line there, and then that line comes down, and then the purple area, where's that? So like here. So like this is purple, this is black, I think. And then a couple more golden stripes here. Some hairlines at the back. Okay, so right, so I guess the top of her head, right? So top of her head just like here, right? And it's got this zigzag pattern inside, right? So you got these two lines like this, and this is like this the shape for her hair, and there's like this pattern that comes down. Like that, down the middle. And then we got those horns coming up the side. Come down like so, and then more hair coming down this way. And that goes in there, and then that has like some texture lines. Like so, and then the other side of her head and hair. So this like flows down real wide off that way. Same thing pretty much on the other side. So we got this horn. Comes down. I think that should be wider maybe. Yeah, it definitely should be wider. I'm gonna make it wider. Some more hair then. So, and then the other side of her head. Big long hair. Then her shoulders. And down here, maybe like an armpit line or something in there. Her other shoulder. Like so. And then more hairlines and texture lines and stuff. Is that it? Yep, that's everything. How to draw Kaguya Otsutsuki from Naruto. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.